How to become a better person every day. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 6 things by which a person can be a better one. The first habit is you should read. So reading is one of the important aspects. So read a lot of books. It is probably the best investment of time ever in your life. Devote at least 30 to 45 minutes per day to reading deeply. Ideally, have a useful book always with you to read at any time. The second habit you should cultivate is writing. The biggest value of a good writing skill is that it cultivates a good discipline. Your random and chaotic thoughts will cease to exist. They will gradually become systematic and a very structured one. The third habit one has to cultivate is observation. Watch or notice everything that surrounds you. The world is full of role models, ideas, wisdom, mistakes, success, failures, and experiences. You just learn from them. The fourth habit is collection of ideas. Ideas and thoughts tend to evaporate from your mind too fast if you are not focusing. Try to capture them before it is too late. Ideally, write down or sketch every single concept or idea when it comes. The fifth aspect is analyzing each day. Before going to bed, spend 10 to 15 minutes at least analyzing your activities happened in the whole day. Consider what things you managed to do well and what mistakes you have committed. Make a note in your mind that next time what you have to do when facing similar situations. The sixth aspect is focusing. So each time whatever maybe you are doing, focus on with full heart and soul. Try to be one-pointed, laser-focused mindset. Make your project into small pieces and see how best you can finish on time with this focus. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.